Hi there and welcome to my crafty lounge. It's Alex and today I'm going to show you how I made this cute little Valentine's Day treat box. So let's get started. First I'll need to die cut the treat box. And I'll have to use my 8.5 by 11 platform for this and run it through the Journey Platinum machine. As you can see, it's already been pre-scored and cut to size. You just have to fold it up. So you'll want to fold all your creases. Then you want to flip it over and fold them the other way. Grab some white liner to tape your box together. And you'll notice that I only taped along one of the sides, not the other side, because you're going to want to leave a side open. So now let's put this guy together. So I'm going to fold this flap in and see how I've put it together in there. Fold that way, tuck this guy in there. And I'm using my crease tool just to like really flatten it together. So it's all done. And it's actually easier than it looks. I'm just struggling on video because, you know, that's how video goes. So you can load this guy up with lots of candy. And I've got some kisses. It actually holds a lot. I'm going to go ahead and tie a bow at the top. Super duper cute already. So next I'm going to cut out my decorative heart. And for this I'll use the Decorative Hearts die set. So it comes with 3 pieces, this size, this smaller size, and this longer size. And you can also choose not to use the inside and just cut out like a solid heart. So there's many ways to use this die. I actually like to use it in my planner. And I've got that middle-sized heart sitting in here, so I'm going to just run it through the machine. So I'm use my bloom tool to get all these little pieces out. Set that aside. So next I'm going to layer my heart on here. So I'm going to layer this guy on there. I'll use my black licorice tape. And I'm going to use the Valentine's Day stamp out of this annual celebration stamp. got my little greeting. And it's probably going to go right about there, but let me first get my little ladybug cut out. So I'm using the Bug Love stamp set. And I've already pre-stamped a little love bug and a ladybug. This has a matching die set, so let me get these cut out. So now that I've got my little love bug cut out, I'm kind of thinking that I want the little ladybug to go with this guy. So I might have to move it around. So I'm going to double pop this guy up. Super cute. I love the way that turned out. And let me not forget to add a little heart embellishment. So super cute. I love, love, love the way these guys turned out. Little love bug and this ladybug. So I hope you enjoyed my quick little Valentine's tutorial. I'm going to take a few of these to work and share them with my coworkers. I'm also going to make some for my family. Please share this video with someone who might enjoy it, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.